Hello. Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. The following diagram shows a sector of circle AOB such that AOB equals 60 degrees and OB is R units long. We're asked to find the area of AOB. We're looking at a sector, right? We're asked to find the area, right? And we're given the angle. Good. So the first thing we want to pull up is, go to the memory box. What is the formula for area of a sector? Area of a sector, theta divided by 360 times pi r squared. Good. Now that I have that, what am I expected to fill in? Looking at all my options here, I don't need to put in pi. I don't need to put in radius. I don't need to work that out. I only need to fill in my theta and see if I can simplify. So what's the value of the theta? As mentioned up here, the angle. The angle that's right here, the angle. That's 60 degrees. So I'm going to fill it in for the theta right here. So that is going to be 60 divided by 360. Now can I simplify? Yes, I can. So 0 cancel 0. I have 6 divided by 36. So I can divide 36 by 6 and also divide 6 by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1 and 36 divided by 6 is 1/6. So now I'm at this point. Do I need to work anything out with the pi and the r square? No, because over here they haven't done an exact value, right? So we're going to stop there. Look for our answer. 1/6 pi r squared. That's A. And we're finished. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.